MTD Network this week. What's been going on? First of all, you're not going to say. Red, if you need any parts manufactured, request that quote. Blue, if you want to join the network, get access to those inquiries. So let's have a quick look what's been going on. Well, first of all, Kyle & Co. Fantastic machine shop. We've done a video overview of them. In fact, it's not just one machine shop, 2 machine shops. Then our friend Reese at 3D Print and Scan, he's only gone and got more accreditation, so you know you're going to get some quality parts from him, 3D printed. Next, Empire Manufacturing, not only investing in machines, but a new website, so get in contact with Stuart and the team there, and they've got a bit of spare capacity on their CMZ fixed head lathe with gantry loader, so get in contact with Stuart. Also Wilbar, Gareth's only gone and bought a 5-axis machine, so watch this space, there will be a video coming soon. What's trending? Bedford CNC, our old friend Andy has retired his 31-year-old Beaver. He's got some new machines coming in, and he has got his sliding head lathe, so any parts you need on that machine, get in contact with him. What else we've got going on? We've got GW Martin, we've already mentioned CMZ with a gantry loader, so some great components on that. Unmanned running, get in contact with them. What else we've got going on? Well, we've got Rend showing their charitable side. They've been 3D printing some charity boxes, so get in contact, we'll have a look at that and then get in contact with them. And Medley, we did an overview of their machine shop, fantastic machine shop, high-end precision parts, motorsport, automotive, aerospace, things like that. So have a watch of that video. And last but not least, aluminium and milling together. What do you think? Steve at Newport CNC. So any parts like that, you need to get in contact with Newport CNC. That's it for this week. So what we're going to say, Red, request a quote if you need any parts manufactured, and Blue, join MTD Network. That's it. See you soon.